Hey, this is Madison from Collision Hub. Welcome to this episode of Cool Tools. At some point in everyone's career, we've been faced with the task of removing, cleaning, retaping, and reapplying an emblem or a molding. This process always created a few challenges, such as matching the original adhesive thickness with the available products in the market, cutting patterns or letters, and the adhesion problems created by various gaps in reapplication. When factoring all of the time, obvious visual differences, and potential failures, it really makes the process of trying to save emblems and moldings obsolete. But let's face it, some of the emblem prices are incredibly high, and more of the DRP collision centers are being asked to perform the task to save on the growing cost of proper repairs. Recently, we were introduced to a new product, Adhesive Templates out of Michigan, that promised to solve some of the technicians' pains and struggles around this process. Intrigued, we decided to put it to the test on a common and challenging emblem, the Silverado lettering on the truck doors. First thing we need to do is measure where the emblem will go when it's back from paint. It's a good idea to make some notes and take a few pictures. Then we need to get this emblem off. I start off with taping around it for extra protection of the panel. This is very important when removing emblems or moldings from blend panels. When removing the emblem or molding, you can use whatever works for you. A spreader, fishing wire, lots of choices and great tips and tricks have been shared online from technicians across the country. Once you have the emblem off, it's time to let it soak in adhesive remover. For this project, we're using Beanie Dew. Pour into a bowl and place the letters to soak in there for a minimum of 4 hours. You can let them set for days with no worry of damage to the emblem. Wash off the letters and lay them out to dry. This is a critical step in this process. Give them a quick wipe down with wax and grease remover to ensure that they are clean, and then place them onto the template. Notice the template is an exact cutout of 3M factory adhesive, including material thickness. This ensures a clean, no trim application. You'll be sure to get the same adhesion to the panel as you would with a new emblem kit. They are also spaced perfectly per OEM specifications, so you can have the same ease of installation as the new emblem. Place the transfer tape provided in the kit over the emblem and peel off the plastic on the back of the letters. We utilize magnetic rulers in the installation of all emblems just to make sure that no tape hits a freshly painted surface and leaves any tape tracking. And that's it. As you can imagine, the process would be easier with a single piece emblem. As with any process, the estimators and technicians will need to work to determine what is the best process for quality and cost of each repair. However, if your facility is going to consider reuse of emblems and moldings, then I'd encourage you to learn more about these cool tools from Adhesive Templates.